Hello, my name is Daniel Carmichael, and I am the sales manager here at Excel Fluid Group. Behind me is one of our fiberglass prepackaged pump stations. This one is a 5-foot diameter by 18-foot deep structure. We offer these starting at about 3-foot diameter for a duplex package, and then we can go up to 10-foot diameter, and then we can do max depths of around 55-foot deep. This one is one of our straight packages, which includes the valves inside of the wet well. We can also offer this with a integrated package that has a separate valve vault that's still attached to the wet well. That it gives a separate structure for the valves, and we can include flow meters or other options inside that structure. So starting at the top, this one has an aluminum cover. This one is just pedestrian load rated. We can offer it with different materials as well as H20 traffic rated. Inside the pump station, all of the internals are factory installed. That's the guide rails and the valves and piping, as well as level controls. The pumps and control panel would ship separate for shipping, but the overall package would still show up all together as factory assembled as possible. As far as installation goes, starting at the bottom, this one has the anti-flotation flange for buoyancy. The contractor would set the structure vertically, and then backfill, we would recommend concrete. And then this one included a factory installed inlet hub for the contractor to bring in their gravity line, and then as well as stubbed out the discharge connection for the force main. So overall, this is a pretty seamless package, allowing the contractor to set this structure in one pick without setting multiple rings, and as well, it includes all of the internal components already installed. We look forward to providing one of these on your next project.